Now let's focus on the shape of the isoquant, particularly what does the curve tell us about the productivity of the inputs. For instance, what happens to the marginal product of capital as the firm uses more of it? Well, say the firm was producing 10 units of output by using 1 unit of capital and 100 units of labor. From that point, the firm could replace 50 units of labor with 1 additional unit of capital. So essentially, between points A and B in this isoquant, 1 capital is worth 50 labor. Economists call this rate the rate of technical substitution, or RTS. And it basically tells us the rate at which one input can be replaced by the other input to produce the same output. Notice that this is exactly the same as the slope of the isoquant. Now suppose the firm was producing the same output using 4 units of capital and 33 units of labor. From that point, the firm could only replace 13 units of labor with 1 additional unit of capital. So between points C and D in this isoquant, 1 capital is worth only 13 labor. The pattern is clear. The marginal product of capital falls as the firm uses more of it. The same happens to the marginal product of labor, decreases as the firm uses more labor. Again, what we just discovered can also be stated by saying that the rate of technical substitution decreases as the firm uses more capital and vice versa. And we can generalize this finding with the following equation. The slope of the isoquant is going to be equal to the ratio of the marginal productivity of the inputs. For the purpose of this course, the important thing is that you remember this definition as we continue to develop the theory of the firm.